President Biden called the military operations in Gaza over the top. And this comes after the White House has pretty consistently defended Israel's conduct. What's changed, and what exactly did the president mean by over the top?
Yeah, so first of all, I would say nothing has changed. His position hasn't changed. I don't think his messaging has changed. We don't think his messaging has changed. He doesn't believe his messaging has changed. This isn't something the first time he's done so, what you heard from him yesterday. Look, the president made it very clear in his comment that he was obviously talking about Israel's conduct in Gaza, and he's been clear. He's been clear that the United States wants to see Hamas, a terrorist organization, defeated. He's been very clear on that. That is a shared goal that we have, obviously, with Israel. But at the same time, while we have said that, we have been also very clear, the president has been very clear, that they must do so by ensuring that their operations are targeted and conducted in a way that we are protecting innocent civilians. And that is something that we have been incredibly consistent about here in this administration. We want to make sure that we are also protecting innocent civilians. So that is what the president was speaking to yesterday. He was asked obviously a direct question, and he answered that.
وهي نتنياهو وحكومته حكومة الحرب بتهدد باجتياح رفح، واحنا وين بدنا نروح؟ لكن لو قالوا لنا وحاولوا يضغطوا علينا الهجرة إلى مصر لن نذهب إلى مصر، سنعود أدراجنا إلى غزة ونموت في غزة أو في أي مكان على أرض غزة، ولن نهاجر إلى مصر أو أي مكان آخر.
وين نروح؟ الخايفين منه وين نروح؟ الخوف منه يعني وين نروح؟ طب انا بديش اتهجر، انا بموت على ارض بلدي. وين نروح؟ اذا كان ما حملوش خير في بلده وين يروح؟ انا بدي اضل هان، مش طالعه من هان، وايش ما بده اسرائيل تعمل؟ انا قاعده في خيمتي، لا رايحه هان وين بدي اموت في خيمتي.